What was that?
It's Ringtone.
What?
Someone flashed my number. I don't know.
Really? You got a ringtone?
I don't know who is calling.
When we have ringtones, you know what we have it for? Special know who's calling. He has 2 phones. And I know all Michael's phone contacts. And I know he doesn't have a ringtone on none of them. And I heard the phone ring, not the natural ring. It was a ringtone. And I can hear Michael trying to cut it off. Why are you nervous about that ringtone? So who is the ringtone for?
It's general ringtone, baby. I don't set it.
I've never heard that damn ringtone before. And I've heard your phone ring.
Baby, I didn't change it. But
You know what? I'm about tired of the
what are you saying?
I'm about tired of your Why are you saying you don't know who that contact is? I'm very upset about this. And it's more than a ringtone. It's like, why are you denying it? I've heard it. Bitch, please.
Hey, Kevin.
Oh, call me in. Well, how the damn ringtone get on there? Oh, it magically appeared. You're full of I'll show you the place, and I'm done with it. There's the lake, here's the house, and I'm done talking to you. Go play with your damn ringtone.